Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're, probably going to unbox some photos and maybe a slide. So yeah, first of all we got this one. Oh, it's a photo. So it is a Johnson Bros photo, and the reg is LHE 601W. So let's get it out its wrapper somehow. Here we go. So yeah, here's the Johnson Bros photo of LHE 601W or something. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Just pop that here. Move on to the other two. I think this one is the slide. Yeah, it's the slide, I can feel it. Yeah, it's the slide. So here's the first slide, guys. I'll show you better on the window. But the reg is, I think, UPV 47. So yeah, pop that there. Get the other one out, and yes, this is of another Baker's Dolphin one. And the reg is JOV 709P. So just put them there ready for the thumbnail. And the last package of today, guys. Still can't believe I lost that Johnson's timetable that I was bidding on. But oh well, who cares? Another one will probably pop up. So here we have another Johnson Bros photo, but as you can see it's a bit newer than the other one. And the reg is P3 JBT. Do not ask me what the original reg is, guys, because I have no idea. Because this one is a private one. Right, I'll just set everything out for the thumbnail, guys. And then, once I've done that, I'll show you these slides better on the window. So yeah. Let's get the thumbnail. There we go, guys. The first Baker's Dolphin on the window. Well, not properly on the window, but yeah. It's right there, guys. And this one is... Oh. That one is... It'll just focus. UPV 487. Pop that back down here and get the other one, which is, oh god, I've just dropped it. This one right here, and the reg is JOV 709P. And it goes this way around. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.